IELTS listening, plan, map, diagram, labelling. Hi, my name's Michelle, and in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the IELTS listening, plan, map, and diagram labelling task. To begin with, I'll describe the task to you before going through a simple method, and then I'll hand over to you for a little practice exercise. Description. In this task, you'll hear a person describing a map, plan, or diagram. You'll be given the image, and the image will have a number of gaps for you to complete. Your job is to label the image by listening to the speaker's description and selecting the correct option from a list of words. For example, you might have to label a plan which looks something like this. In this example, you can see a floor plan of a building. On the plan, there are several numbered blanks for you to complete. You need to fill in the blanks using the options in the text box, which you can see on the right-hand side. Alternatively, you might have to label a map which looks something like this. Or you might have to label a diagram which looks something like this. To label the image, you need to fill in the gaps by writing down the letter that corresponds with the correct answer listed in the text box. For example, if the correct answer for number 11 is B on off switch, then you would write the letter B in the gap next to number 11. Method. Firstly, it's important that you focus on the image as the image contains helpful clues. For example, let's look at the plan. Notice where it says entrance. We know that this will be our starting point. Next, notice the order of the numbers. Where are the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 positioned? This will help you follow the speaker more easily through the image as the answers will follow the same order as the numbers. The next thing we want to do is look at the answer options in the text box. These are our key words. As we follow the order of the numbers in the plan, we also need to listen out for these key words. These are our answers. When you hear an answer, write the corresponding letter, A, B, or C, in the space provided in the image. Practice. Let's give one a go. We'll do 11, 12, and 13 together.
Hi everyone, my name is Mary. I'm the head librarian here at the City Library. Welcome to the tour. You all probably know that this building is over 100 years old and was first built as the governor's residence. As we enter, you will see my desk on the right. To our left is the Tourist Information Centre. This includes maps, information about the building's history, as well as gifts and souvenirs. To our right is where we used to keep our periodicals, but we have recently transferred our local history collection here. So now you will find historical books about the local area, including books about local flora and fauna. If we continue into the main library area, you'll see the fiction books to the left and the non-fiction books to the right. To the back of the room is the multimedia space. This is where visitors can access videos, DVDs, and CDs. If we continue on,
How did you go? Let's go through the answers together. So, the answer to number 11 is I, tourist information. Number 12 is D, local history collection. And number 13 is F, multimedia. Tips. Before the audio begins, you should familiarise yourself with both the image and the answer options in the box. Put simply, you need to understand the image and what the possible answers are. You'll also need to be careful of distractors. During the audio recording, the librarian said,
"To our right is where we used to keep our periodicals."
So you may think that G is the answer, but keep listening because she goes on to say,
"But we have recently transferred our local history collection here."
So the answer is in fact D. You'll also need to listen for directions such as straight ahead, to our right, to our left, to the back of the room, and so on. The speaker will always start at the entrance point. This will help you navigate your way through the plan. Now that we've covered what you need to know, I'll hand over to you. So make sure you practice and complete the course exercises. See you next time.